Bone peeps, country style stew chicken.
Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today, some country style stew chicken. So remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember, country style stew chicken. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some country style stew chicken. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients then. So we have some Alberta rice here, brown rice, pound and a half. You can see we have some cow peas. You can see garlic, pimento, ginger, and the chicken over here. And see vinegar here. Remember, country style stew chicken. So see mixed vegetable here, coconut juice. See Maggi season. See the browning, bell pepper, hot pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, onion, Irish. We have pimento seed. We have the butter. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe. Remember, country style stew chicken. It's a recipe, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Like and share. Alright, my peas, so now push I call peas now. See if I like that, showing step by step. So I'm going to light the pressure pot. Go on pressure till it gets soft, step by step. Alright, my peeps, I'm starting by cleaning up my chicken, add some vinegar to the water and things like this. Yeah, so chicken here. You know, cut them more smaller. Strip the skin off like this. Cut them more smaller on me one, right? Remember, country style stew chicken. So now I cut them too small in that. The recipe is nice, man. Eatable, tasteable, delicious. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Alright, peeps, the chicken in the well clean up, prepare, wash with vinegar and thing. So we have some more vinegar water right here. So I'm going to add back the chicken to these and give it one more wash. So I'm going to wash it 2 times, right? Yeah, so that keep away the rawness of the vinegar. Cut to the rawness, so some vinegar water right here. Alright, peeps, the chicken wash dry and clean and pretty there. So I'm going to add some pimento, thyme, scallion, crushed garlic and some onion, also some ginger. I'm going to add it to these like this, right? Alright, I'm going to add some chicken all-purpose seasoning like this. Have some chicken Maggi like this. So I'm going to add some browning, grace browning like this. Remember, country style stew chicken. So I'm going to massage it like this. Rub it in the seasoning. Don't put on the gloves with the hand and rub it clean. Is it black? Some of you want it black as eve. Some want it spice and flavor on pot. So the color I want the country style stew chicken to have. These, so I add the rice to it. Just combine as one. So don't watch the blackness. So we're going to add it to these, to a bag. Stay for 7 hours, right? So we're going to bag it up. Right? Okay, you want to soak in a season. The rice. So I want these to stay for 7 hours. Yes, my peeps, the recipe there. Kinda ready, I know, you know. Young peeps, it's pressure, I know, yeah. Peeps, the potatoes, and I'll add some butter to it like this. So we're going to add peas more. That one melt. Yeah. One melt right out. To add some garlic crush, thyme, pepper, and pimento seed.
Let these go and fry. Okay. I show you step by step, remember? Country style steel chicken, like I show you step by step. See, you know, alright, peas. And by save chicken, you want to see there. I'll add it to these like these. We're going to make a steam fry 15 minutes. You know, people see that's stir fry and thing. Eh? Someone want to black man, don't watch the brown in here. Just watch them I go do. Yeah man, watch and see what I go on the side. Yeah, this recipe I go nice man, remember you know. Country style steel chicken and people see it. If you want to tenderize some more, see them here. Yes, my people, see? Alright, see, stir fry now. 15 minutes that we give. So I'm going to show you step by step. Alright, piece I got the coconut milk to it now. You can see. Here, like these. Alright. Got the coconut milk. See mixed veg here, and the mixed veg teeth here. I'm showing step by step. Add some Irish and bell pepper. Alright, peeps. So we're going to add the peas or pressure to it too. See in there. So we're going to stir it well. The recipe I got nice man. Eatable, tasteable. Alright, so we're going to let this go and bubble. Cook down a little bit. So we're going to add a little extra Maggi to flavor it. Not really enough, like that. Alright. Have some scallion here. Add it to it like this. We have a green pepper. So we're going to lock it. It go and cook. Beef seater. Alright, so what I go on now. Some of them white chicken them to brown like this, so we can see. Get the point? You can see the stewed chicken. Alright. Put the spice up and nice. Lock it back. I'm going to add the rice to it like this. Remember, country style stewed chicken. I'm going to stir it like this and keep going and cook with them. So I'm going to remove the time stick. This is time stick here. Remove back it on the rice. Just notice on the flavor it can take over the time stick and thing, you know. I can remove the scallion but when I'm ready to feed. Keep going and cook some more. So I'm going to cover these. Keep going and cook. So the recipe I got nice man. Eatable, tasteable, delicious. You know, people see there, yeah, man, see country style stewed chicken. Eh? That bubbling and all, so I say, yeah, man, so I have to remove the scallion from it. Because they might just flavor and stuff, and then flavor the pot. Yeah, remove the scallion on the time is eat. So we don't really need them again in the pot. Alright? This more stick here. Alright, my piece, and I go steam it and I see it. You see? And then I go steam it and I cover it and steam it. Turn down the fire and like to see. My peeps, I'll checkpoint and see what I want to feed. Alright, I'll do another update. Pull off the bag like this. The steam and blow. Yeah, so I'll see what I want to feed now. I will stir it up with it. Put on some more steam. I will stir it up to about Irish them cook and things there. Things soft and ready, you know. Country style stew chicken. So it went on about 7 more minutes of steam in the heat. And ready yet now I show now update it still, so eat a 1 stir now, cover it back. 7 minutes more of steam I get it now. And 7 minutes more. Another update again. Yeah. Yes, my peeps, the recipe there. Kinda ready I know, you know. Just Irish mash up and see chicken. You can see everything in it, man. Mixed with the peas, everything you can. All that spice them, you know. Yeah, my peeps there. My peeps, country style stew chicken recipe there. Rice and rice. Well, surely don't see peas down there. Mixed with you see chicken. You see the Irish, you see all of the spice them, my peeps, you see. Yeah, man, please remember like and share country style stew chicken Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, my peeps, there. Recipe ready and now. Yeah, man, country style stew chicken ready, my peeps, you can see. Yeah, man. My peeps, the recipe there. Recipe ready and one thing is it. Country style stew chicken. What chicken I just could brown extra on it to eat. But you can see all that spice and thing there, man. See peas there, Irish. You can see mixed veg. All that spice and the recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Country style stew chicken. We have some juice alongside right there. My peeps it there. Country style stew chicken ready to eat. Yes, my peeps it there. Country style stew chicken done, my people. You see it? Just the bone alone left right now. Thing delicious, eatable, tastable. Peeps, try the recipe and see and tell me about it.